My name is Parker Swanson. I'm a triple major at St. Mary's in marketing management and BI analytics, and I'm going into my senior year at St. Mary's, and I'm also a Fastenal intern. When applying at St. Mary's, I had heard about like a co-op internship with Fastenal, and I was like, that sounds awesome. No other schools that I had been looking at had an experience like that, so it was actually a big pull for me to come to Winona.
My name is Jeremy Johnson. I'm Director of Operations for Fastenal Company for our FMI Technology Innovation Team. Part of the experience that the interns will receive are sort of a myriad of business processes and different roles that they may actually get to practice involved during the internship prior to going out into the working world. So we actually put them through administration, project coordinating, what we call product testing, installation process for our technologies, and then we bring them into our innovation team where we do research, we work on product development and new project management, along with a little bit of quality and engineering. So they get a very diverse view of business as it relates to our technologies that we support.
Fastenal was one of those internships that provided just a well-rounded experience. Working with 5 different teams this summer, all the way from admin to innovation, supply chain, just helped me understand what I like, what they like, and what I'm good at. And I think that just gave me the best experience possible.